Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're looking for ways to take care of your heart, and you've come to the right place. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but the good news is, there are simple steps you can take to maintain a healthy heart. In this, we'll dive deep into 10 practical, easy-to-follow tips that will not only improve your heart health, but also enhance your overall well-being. Let's get started. Before we dive into the specific steps, it's important to understand why heart health matters. The heart is the engine of your body, pumping blood, oxygen, and nutrients to every organ and cell. Over time, poor lifestyle choices, like unhealthy eating, lack of exercise, and stress, can damage your heart, leading to conditions like high blood pressure, cholesterol, and even heart attacks. But don't worry, because with the right habits, you can keep your heart strong for years to come. Step 1. Eat a heart-healthy diet. What you eat plays a huge role in your heart health. To keep your heart in tip-top shape, try incorporating the following into your diet. First, eat more fruits and vegetables. These are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help protect your heart. Think leafy greens, berries, and cruciferous veggies like broccoli. Second, whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are high in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Third, lean proteins. Opt for fish, chicken, tofu, and legumes instead of red or processed meats. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart. Healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil contain heart-healthy fats that can help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Avoid too much sodium and processed foods, as they can contribute to high blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease. Let's move on to step 2. Staying physically active. Exercise is one of the best things you can do for your heart. It helps lower blood pressure, improves cholesterol, and reduces your risk of heart disease. First, cardiovascular exercises. These include activities like walking, running, swimming, and cycling that get your heart rate up. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, or about 30 minutes a day. Second, strength training. Don't forget to add strength training exercises like weightlifting or resistance band workouts to your routine. Building muscle can improve your metabolism and keep your heart healthy. Third, stretching and flexibility. Practices like yoga or Pilates help improve circulation, flexibility, and reduce stress, all important for heart health. Step 3 is crucial. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking damages your blood vessels, increases plaque buildup in your arteries, and raises your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your heart. Next, drinking too much alcohol can raise blood pressure and contribute to heart failure, arrhythmias, and other cardiovascular problems. If you do drink, do so in moderation. No more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Step 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can take a toll on your heart by increasing your blood pressure, heart rate, and causing inflammation. Here are a few strategies to help you manage stress effectively. First, mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help you calm your mind and reduce the physiological effects of stress. Try deep breathing exercises, guided meditations, or simply taking a few moments each day to relax. Second, physical activity. Exercise is a natural stress reliever. Even a short walk in nature can help clear your mind and improve your mood. Third, social connections. Spending time with family, friends, or loved ones can boost your mental health and provide a support system during tough times. Step 5. Get enough sleep. Studies show that poor sleep quality is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to rest, repair, and regulate blood pressure. Establish a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation. Avoid screens, caffeine, and heavy meals before bed. Instead, try reading, stretching, or drinking a warm herbal tea to wind down. Step 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is key to reducing your risk of heart disease. Managing your weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Excess weight can put strain on your heart, leading to conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. Keeping your BMI within a healthy range can help reduce the strain on your heart. If you're looking to lose weight, focus on gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and exercise habits. Step 7. Monitor blood pressure and cholesterol. High blood pressure and cholesterol are silent threats to your heart, so it's important to keep them in check. First, blood pressure. Ideally, your blood pressure should be below 120/80 millimeters of mercury. Regular checkups can help you monitor it and catch any problems early. Second, cholesterol. Keep an eye on your cholesterol levels. LDL, bad, cholesterol can clog your arteries, while HDL, good, cholesterol helps remove it. A simple blood test can tell you your cholesterol levels. Step 8. Stay hydrated. Step 8 might seem simple, but it's often overlooked. Drinking enough water helps your heart pump blood more easily and keeps your muscles working efficiently. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active. If you struggle with drinking enough water, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor. Step 9 focuses on limiting sugar. Too much sugar in your diet can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and an increased risk of heart disease. Next, read labels. Be mindful of hidden sugars in foods like sauces, drinks, and snacks. Focus on eating whole, natural foods instead. And there you have it, simple steps to improve your heart health and lead a longer, healthier life. Remember, heart health isn't just about one big change, but about incorporating these small, sustainable habits into your everyday life. Which of these steps will you start with? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you.